All right, Savvy Shoppers, welcome back. And this is CJ, and I'm back with another review of a pretty cool product that I'm very familiar with. And I want to talk about it kind of out of necessity because I would need to break into, or I would like to break into, this product that I've had for probably sitting on a shelf for over a year. And what am I talking about? I am talking about my Ridge wallet. Got this particular one, off of Amazon. Looks like back in 2021. Sarah purchased this for me, probably for my birthday or Father's Day or maybe for Christmas. I don't know. But anyway, I've had this one since 2021. And we're going to talk about this wallet, why I like it, why it might be a good gift idea for someone in your family. And as I was reading and preparing for this video, I found out that this is actually, I thought it was just marketed to men. Actually, it's marketed for men and women as well. So let's jump right into this review. All right, so this is my current Ridge wallet. I have had this for close to 5 years. There's actually nothing wrong with this wallet. It just, you can see that it's worn as far as it's got scratches on it. And yeah, it's just worn. There's nothing wrong with it. This one is made out of aluminum, but they also make some higher end ones as well, made out of titanium, carbon fiber. And so, of course, as you go up in the more exotic materials, the price point raises as well. So when I looked on Amazon to see how much Sarah paid for this, she paid in the $75 range for this Ridge wallet. So let's talk about what this wallet is really all about. So this is designed to be a front pocket wallet. It's got a very slim form factor. Minimalistic is the ideal here. It is designed to hold 1 to 12 credit cards. I actually have mine overstuffed with 18 cards. I'll flip it over. I have the money clip attachment on mine, but it also comes with a cash strap as well. So the ideal is that if you are carrying cash, that you would slide it under this money clip. You could also always slide it in between your cards as well. But the ideal here is that, again, this is minimalistic and a small form factor. Fits in your front pocket or in a purse. It would fit very well in a purse. I initially just thought these were marketed for men, but actually, as I look on the website now, they do have colors that probably would be more appealing to a woman because, men like all kinds of colors as well. But very well constructed. You can see as you look at this, I'll try to get it a little closer. You can see the metal, that it's made out of metal, but you can also see the screws. So you can see how it's all screwed together. So there's different layers. One of the things that's great about this wallet is that it's RFID protectant. So that's just built into it. So there are people who have RFID devices and they're trying to scan your chips on your card. So this has got the blocking technology built into it as well. So those screws, when you get one of these, it comes with a screwdriver. It comes with the clip, which I prefer, but it also can be used with the cash strap as well. So yeah, pretty basic wallet. I really love it. My biggest problem with this is that I do have to be careful that I don't put too many cards in it. It is designed per the manufacturer to have 1 to 12 cards. Again, I've got 18 in here and I've had more. And when you start to overstuff it, what potentially can happen is that the cards, you start to, because the way the cards stay in there are these really strong straps that are all around the wallet. But over time, those straps, they do get looser, and the more cards you have in, you're putting more pressure on those. You can, however, adjust those straps as well, and it's very easy to do. I had to change out from the money I put the money clip on versus the cash strap because that's what my preference is. And that was easy to do. It comes with a special screwdriver so that you can take this apart. Very easy to do. So I'm going to show you my new one, and then I'm going to put that together. The Ridge wallet is something that I highly recommend for anybody, for your father, your mother, your spouse, grandfather. It's a great product. Some people might think it's a bit expensive. I think you get what you pay for. There are cheaper versions of this on Amazon as well. Honestly, I've actually even had a version from the folks at Temu where I think it cost me $5. I've used it, but honestly, the quality just wasn't the same. All right, so let's open up my new Ridge wallet. I've had this, again, sitting here for almost a year. This one, just full disclosure, I got this as a special deal, a really good price, probably close to 50% off. So I know that this wallet originally was well over $100, but I got it for a really good deal. So that's kind of the packaging, the box. This one is actually a special version in collaboration with Ridge and MKBHD. That is the brand for Marques Brownlee. Marques is a really big YouTuber who does product reviews on YouTube. And if I can ever get to be as good as he is, as smooth as he is, that would be quite an accomplishment. But anyway, this is a special branded one with him. You open up the box. It's got the MKBHD branding on it. You know, same basic Ridge setup. This one comes with the money strap on it. But in the box, it also comes with the money clip, which I will eventually change out. It comes with this special screwdriver that you'll need. I think I showed this before, but these are put together with very special screws, so you can't just use a regular screwdriver to open these up. You would open this up when you want to, say, put on the money clip. Also in this box, it looks like they give you another strap as well. So this is the strap basically that holds everything together. So it looks like they give you an extra one of those. Let's see, this is just some branded material. Looks like this is feels like these are just extra screws. The screws are very small, so when you take them apart, you do have to be careful that you don't misplace anything. I appreciate that they give you that screwdriver as well. So again, I'm pretty excited about this. This again is a special branded one. Matte black is his thing, so this is matte black. So I like matte black. I like matted products as just about any color. But that's my new one. I'm looking forward to using it and retiring my old one that is right there. I won't throw that old one away. I will just put that in the drawer somewhere, and who knows, in the future if I need to pull that back out, I can, because these things have a lifetime warranty and they pretty much last forever. I really can speak very highly of the Ridge brand wallets themselves. I really like them, and I think you should give them a try as well. All in all, that is my review of the Ridge wallet. Link in the video description. If you start down this pathway, I think whoever you get this for, or if you get this for yourself, you're going to really like it.